Fam, what's going on? Well, it's been a long time, but I'm back with another video. Hopefully next time won't be so long. But what we got today is a 1988 Chevy Caprice LS. Now, if y'all been watching the channel, y'all know I shot this car probably about a year ago, as far as like photography and stuff like that. If y'all ain't seen it, you can go on my Riding Old Schools Instagram page, and you can check that out. And you can go on YouTube and check out the previous video that I made of it. And we brought it back again because if you remember, I shot it right before my man Jesse Steele over at Fat Boy Fabs down here in Florida. You can check him out on Instagram too, and I'll put up his name and stuff, and link it down in the description and stuff like that. But yeah, so he added some interior lights, added all the speakers, you know, the subwoofers in the trunk and everything like that. So that was pretty much what that video was about, and I pretty much shot it right before he did it. So, but now it's done. It's been done, but it just took me and homeboy a long time to link up to get this video. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a walk around and get him over here and turn on the so we can turn on the interior lights and stuff. Y'all can see what he working with. Check out my boy Jesse Steele. Check out his work over at Fat Boy Fabs. So, but yeah, man, here we are. You know, last time. Let's jump right in it. San Forgiatos, the Maglias, the twisted ones, the Wade edition. That's what we calling it, the Wade edition. But yeah, man, clean to death though. So, hey Rich, these 28s?
Yeah, no, 26s.
26s, okay. Yeah, 26 inch Forgiatos. I think I got it right on the last video, but hey, you know, you forget sometimes. It's all good. But yeah, man, clean to death. Basically pretty much all OG, you know, with the exception of the stereo and the steering wheel. Say last time we didn't have the console, and now got the console in there now. And I also think that was made by Fat Boy Fabs, Jesse over there at Fat Boy Fabs. So then in the back, rear console in the back. Boy, this thing insulated well. Still feel the cold AC in this bitch. Rear deck done. Yes, sir. Say, man, it's very, very clean. Very clean in this car, man. So interior pretty much OG. You know what I mean? All the fixings. You know, back in the day luxury, that 88 luxury. Feel me? That's what it is. But yeah, he was telling me, man, he glad that we finally linked up to get this done, because it's actually finna go back into the shop, he say. So same paint, just gonna freshen it up a little bit, and going LS motor in it. I asked him about it. I say, so what you going LS? He's like, yeah, man, I got to. So that's what it is, man. But yeah, real clean car, man. Real clean. I'll tell you what. So, and you know my thing, like I said, I like it, man, because it's not too much. You know what I'm saying? It's not too much. You know, digital dash, say steering wheel. You know, not a whole lot going on, but it's a lot going on. You know what I'm saying? So we all good on that, man. Say real clean. Got fire extinguisher. Gotta have that fire extinguisher, man. Got to have that. So say another look at that rear deck, man. In case I didn't get it good the first time, but yeah, y'all check it out. So say perfect, man. just right. Not too much, not too little. You know, so I'm gonna get them over here. The LEDs and the door lights, LEDs. You know, we vibing. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna get them over here and see if we can turn on the lights, so I can show y'all that light work that Jesse be doing over there. That Fat Boy Fab, man. Check it out. Hey Rick, you can turn the lights on for me? So yeah, I see you got that thing back there too. Got that thing back there too, boy, that bottle. Yeah. Say, shit, I'm gonna give me a shot before I leave.
Yeah, hold on, damn. Hold on, you can't get this, bro.
What's that? Oh, the fire extinguisher?
Yeah. Shit. Can never be two. You gotta be safe.
Yeah, that's exactly what I said when I it's in there, but I told you, you gotta have that.
That's a problem.
That's that safety, man.
A lot of people don't be having that.
Yeah. That shit burn the fuck up. But yeah, man, y'all see the light work.
God, these wires.
Good shit, man. Just say darn over there, Fat Boy Fab, man. Nice touch right here. On the inside. Ooh, and it's starting to rain. But yeah, man, I might have to make this a quick one, y'all. Yeah.
It ain't gonna stay though.
So we get it done, man. Like I said, y'all check out the light work that my boy did over at Fat Boy Fab, man. You know what I'm saying? Chill dude, fair dude. Like you say, man, just make sure you check good when you come. Make sure that check right when you come. Yeah, rear deck light up. See, y'all see that? See the Chevy symbol. We don't. Make sure y'all get a good look at that, man. See little details, man. You see the detail. You see it. Fat Boy Fab, baby. You see it. My homie ain't player. They say good work, man. Good work. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all check him out on Instagram, though. At Fat Boy Fab, man. Let me get that so y'all can see exactly where to go. Right there, Fat Boy Fab, man. Down here in Central Florida. And also, to see more of this car, go check out my boy at Blue Hunted. That's his Instagram right there. Make sure y'all go check him out. You know what I'm saying? Hit that follow button. Get his followers up. But yeah, man. We all in, baby. So, say console work, lighting work, everything. But yeah, the last time I shot the car, the lights wasn't in it just yet. It was at Jesse's shop. He was getting ready to start working on it. So didn't have it quite done. Actually didn't have it started at all. Like I say, he was getting ready to start it. But yeah, man, that's where we at, bro. You know, y'all check it out. I'm saying, if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know, hit that button, hit that subscribe button, hit all on the notifications so you get everything. But yeah, man, that's it though. That's where we at, man. So, beautiful 1988 Chevy Caprice LS. Personally my favorite in the Chevy game. So, but yeah, man, that's what it is, baby. So maybe next time, you know what I'm saying, when I catch him again, the paint will be fresh. He gonna have the motor, you know, the LS set up in it. And, hey, baby, yeah, maybe even get him to do a couple burnouts, because, you know, when you get that LS motor put in here, You know what I'm saying? It's time to show out. But this what it is though, man. So hope y'all like what y'all see. Get down there in the comments and let me know what y'all think. I'd love to hear from y'all, and I will reply. You know, and like I say, with me, man, I don't care. Negative comments, positive comments, it don't matter. Shoot, I'll take it all. But just, you know, if it's negative, yeah, you ain't gonna get no negative reaction to it. You know what I'm saying? Most of the time, I like to comment and keep moving. Cause everybody entitled to their own opinion, man. But yeah, 26-inch Forgiato Maglias, the twisted versions, the Wade version, which he actually, y'all go check him out too, Whips by Wade. He just collabed with them and dropped another nice wheel. So y'all can go on his page at Whips by Wade and check him out. You know, most of the time, I'm sure if y'all watching this video, y'all know who Whips by Wade is. But yeah, you can check him out on Instagram and quite possibly see that new lineup that they just dropped over there at Forgiato, man. Real nice wheel. So, but this is the first version right here, and like I say, it's basically the Maglias, and they just twisted it. That's it. Didn't really reinvent the wheel per se, but they just twisted that bitch and boom, rolled out. And there it is. And as you can see, it's a pretty popular wheel. Real popular wheel, man. And CJ on 32s, I think that's he might put them damn things on all his cars. So if y'all know CJ on 32s, then y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, man, this it right here though. You know, we'll go ahead and get this interior one more time for y'all. We're gonna wrap this up, man, because it's starting to sprinkle a little bit. So honestly, I'm just thankful that I was able to get what I could, you know. We linked up and yeah, got it done. But yeah, man, you know, lights all through it. You know, and nothing, like I say, even with the lights, man, he kept it simple, you know. Nothing too blaring and too just, you know, over the top. You know, he didn't go over the top with the lights. You know, just added some real nice touches to it. And I'm sure when it gets dark, they get a little brighter. But yeah, man, that's it right here. So, say, man, I appreciate y'all rocking with the channel, man. And if you're new, go ahead and, like I said, man, hit that subscribe button for me. Help your boy get on, you know. But that's it, man. We out here on the railroad tracks. Yeah, pretty ballsy shit, ain't it? But I got some nice shots. So to see the shots, y'all go ahead and head on over to Riding Old Schools, man. Head over to the Riding Old Schools Instagram page, and I have the shots that I did take. I have them up, and y'all could check them out. Let me know what y'all think on that as well. So, but I'm gonna get on up out of here, man. I'm gonna set them up, probably get a couple more shots in, and then I'm gonna get out of here. Shit, I got wifey over there with me. She's sitting in the car. She's a champ. She the one drove me out here. So, but yeah, I ain't gonna keep her waiting too long. You know, I appreciate her taking the time out to drive me out here and making sure, you know, I get what I needed. Support, man. That's what it's all about, man. You can't do shit without good support. So make sure y'all get friends and a woman and family and shit, man, that support y'all in y'all dream and whatever y'all trying to do, man. But yeah, this your boy, man, T Giles of Riding Old Schools, and I'm out of here, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all. Peace.